We learned how to split and merge cell contents in the last lesson. Today's tutorial will teach you how to split and merge files. Sometimes we need to merge data from several sheets into one sheet for data administration and analysis. The most conventional and time-wasting method is widely adopted: manual copy and paste. Similar to defeating the monsters in a game world, efficiency holds the key to leveling up in both games and Excel practices. You can merge files through two options. You can click Worksheets drop-down menu in the Home tab to merge and split, or go to the Data tab and you can find Split Sheet and Merge Sheet. How can we use them specifically? Let's look at Merge Sheet first. Suppose we need to analyze the sales record for 12 months. How can we merge these 12 sales sheets? Click Merge Sheets drop-down menu and click Merge Multiple Worksheets into a worksheet. Check All Sheets in the pop-up dialog. Local files can also be merged at Add File. Then select 2 at Merge from Row. Do you know why? All merged sheets share the same header line. The final sheet only requires one header line, so we choose to merge from the second row. Did you get it? Click Start Merging to generate a new workbook. In the Report sheet, you can find the merging details. Click Location after merging, and you can jump to the corresponding data. You can view all the merged data at Merged Tables, making it more convenient to manage and analyze data. The second frequently used feature is Merge Sheets with same name in workbooks. Suppose you're a university lecturer responsible for 3 classes. Their final grades for mathematics, English, physics, and chemistry are recorded in 3 workbooks. Now you need to merge their grades by courses. Click Merge Sheets with the same name in Workbooks, and add local files at Add File. Check All Sheets in the pop-up dialog. Similarly, check 2 at Merge from Row, and click Start Merging to finish the merging process. Click Math to check the merged data, and you will find the math scores from classes 1, 2, and 3. Similar results can be seen in other courses. Suppose I want to generate an independent workbook for each course. Each workbook contains the grades for classes 1, 2, and 3. We can click Recombine the same name and add local files at Add File. Check All Sheets in the pop-up dialog. Finally, click Start Recombination. A new workbook will show details for the merging. Click Result Save Folder and jump to the location after merging. 4 worksheets are generated as required. Click Math, and you can get the scores for classes 1, 2, and 3. All tables must be sorted into a certain category. You may quickly and flexibly sort out the data your employer needs using the 2 methods we learned. Then, we will learn how to use the powerful Merge Range Data function. Let's look at the case directly. The original table has hundreds of rows of data on the left, and I need to extract the personnel information on the right. What should we do? Click Merge Range Data to pop up a dialog. Range 1 is the lookup value, while Range 2 is the lookup area. It works by searching and extracting the lookup value in a specific range. We must follow a rule for the search area. The search value should be in the first column of the lookup area. Otherwise, an error prompt will display. In this case, we should start from the name column. Finally, click Confirm. Isn't it convenient? Previously, functions are required to look up values, but now we simply need several steps. There are still 2 merging methods left: Merge multiple workbooks into Workbook and Merge Book. Their effects are similar: to merge different workbooks into the same workbook. The former allows you to name the merged sheets. You can select sheet names plus original file names at Options. The latter allows you to arrange the merged files by selecting the arrows on the right. Both approaches are quite basic, so I won't go over them one by one here. Try it on your own. Then, we'll tell you several methods to split a table. Click the Split Sheet drop-down button, and you'll see several options: Split Sheet by Content, Split Book by Sheets, and Split Book. Split sheet by content is most frequently used, allowing you to split worksheets based on designated content. Let's look at a real case. Suppose we need to split this food sales sheet. The system has already selected the split area for us. At Split Basic, you can decide how to split the sheet. Suppose we want to split it by year. Select Order Date and Split by Year. Check Different New Sheets before clicking Start. Then this sales sheet is divided into sheets 2020 and 2021. Do you know how to split by city? Let's return to the window and select City at Split Basis. Check Different New File and click Browse to choose a saving location. Click Start to split the sheet into 4 based on city. The second button is Split Book by Sheets, allowing us to extract the sheets we need. Click the button to pop up a dialog. Check Contains Hidden Worksheets to avoid forgetting hidden sheets. Now, check the sheet to extract and choose the saving location below. Finally, click Start to make selected sheets independent. The last two options, Split Book and Split Book by Sheets, can achieve a similar effect by splitting a workbook into worksheets. Let's see their differences. First, press the Control key to select all sheets in this workbook and click Split Book. In the pop-up dialog, check the file to split, and you can click Add More Files to select other files. Click Next, and you can see Page Count, and this option will tell you the number of sheets. Compared with the first two options that only allow one-to-one split, Split Book is more flexible to customize the split rules. However, if the number of sheets rises, the split range may become unclear to choose. Let's look at a real case. 6 sheets in this workbook tell the sales record for 6 months. Now we want to split this workbook into 2 workbooks by quarter, each with 3 sheets. Check Split Average and enter 3 after every. If you want to add rules, click Range Selection and customize it. You can choose the saving location at Export Directory. Finally, click Split to split your workbook. In today's lesson, we learned how to split and merge sheets through multiple real cases. 1. 6 methods are available to merge workbooks into one sheet. 2. You can merge the contents of worksheets of the same name. 3. You can extract the data based on designed rules. 4. The contents of a table can be split into different worksheets or workbooks. 5. A sheet can be divided into several workbooks. The next chapter will tell how to grasp functions. Functions enable us to process data more efficiently. Stay tuned.